Some may ask, why WordPress as e-commerce platform? Common question from anybody who would like to become a e-commerce and digital marketing specialist, or anyone who want to sell their products online, particularly through an e-commerce website. Now, why WordPress and not websites or platforms like Shopify, Wix? So we have listed here some of the valid points that we consider why WordPress. So it's a very powerful platform, meaning it has a wide selection of themes and plugins, both free and paid, and it has a very large community that supports the platform. In fact, most of the big companies also use WordPress. And it's very sustainable in the sense that the developer communities are there to support the platform. They sustain the developments, they provide the support compared to other CMS. And also, another reason for that is the ownership, meaning you really have full control of your e-commerce website when you have it as a self-hosted website. And the manpower availability, meaning there are just too many people who know WordPress. And that's not a bad thing, because that doesn't mean tight competition. That's actually a good thing, because you as entrepreneurs or you as freelancers or business owners, you can easily find people who know WordPress, and those people can help you in any case you want support or assistance on your e-commerce website. And it's constantly evolving. That's true. Right now, we are at WordPress 5.0, I think. As you can see, particularly those who have experience already with WordPress, it's being updated regularly. That's basically WordPress in a nutshell.